Today's quilting adventure takes us to In Between Stitches, a charming shop in Livermore, California, a town east of San Francisco. The shop is located in the downtown area that is filled with some great restaurants and boutique stores. Nearby, you'll also find lots of wineries offering wine tastings, so you might want to spend more time in the area. When you enter, you'll be delighted by all the quilts hanging and the well-crafted displays dispersed throughout the shop. It's clear to see that this is a full-service quilt shop that has over 2,200 bolts of quilter's cotton, lots of quilting and sewing notions, along with all kinds of patterns. Sample projects made from the many patterns for sale are arranged throughout the store. You can also purchase small gift items, antiques, and jewelry. This display is by the front door. But some of these items are mixed among the quilt samples. At the back of the store is a bright and sunny classroom. You can take classes of all skill levels here. Below, you'll find a link to their class schedule. Close by is the long arm machine. The store offers long arm services to walk-in customers. Don't think you can make it to Livermore to purchase your fabric? No problem. In Between Stitches has an online store, so you can shop from the convenience of your home. You'll find the link below. Of course, if you're in the area, you'll want to stop at In Between Stitches to view all of their creative projects. Fun and playful quilts are positioned high in the room. Other samples are draped nearby the fabric and patterns used to make the quilt. This beautiful applique quilt hangs near the cash register with the pattern conveniently located on the counter. Nearby is this striking monochromatic star quilt. I love these kids' quilts made mainly from solids. Close by is a sweet collection of juvenile prints and panels. Quilts for the holidays, such as these two Christmas-themed quilts, aren't far from the Christmas fabric. Here's a modern take on a heart for Valentine's Day. Actually, this quilt would work year-round. My favorite groupings of fabric in the shop are what I call Americana prints, fabrics in those red, white, and blue patriotic colors, but also those fabrics that are Civil War prints or old-fashioned colonial-type prints. If you also like this patriotic theme and are looking for a quick project, why not try this free pattern and tutorial? Treat yourself to some new fabric for this project by visiting In Between Stitches, either in person or online. Stay tuned for our next quilting adventure, and don't forget to shop those independent quilt stores. Thanks for visiting LearnHowToQuilt.com. Please share our videos with your friends. Thanks.